Hey everyone! Tonight we're going to be making a Yellowbird cocktail. Let's get into it. Firstly, you will need Galliano, light rum and Cointreau, a lime, some ice, a shaker of course, and a couple of jiggers for the right measurements. So firstly, we'll need to cut ourselves a nice lime slice to go in the drink. Slice there. Now we need to juice the lime. We need 22.5 mils, which is that measurement there. So I'm just going to squeeze some lime. Usually one lime will give you 30 mils, so we just need a bit less than a full lime, and we've got a slice out of the lime, so we should be perfect, I think. About right. Yes, that is. So put some ice in your mixing cup. I'm just using what's called a cobbler with this little lid here because I'm only making one cocktail. If you're making one or two, these cocktail shakers are perfect. Okay, that should do for the ice. All of this in. Now we need 30 mils of rum, sorry, not Bacardi. I'm using Bacardi, but you can use whatever light or white rum that you like. So 30 mils. That's the same as 1 ounce. And we need 22.5 mils of Galliano, which is the same measurement as the lime. This will give us the yellow in the cocktail. And we need 22.5 of Cointreau. Okay. Lid on. And let's give this a shake. I like to shake for about, I don't know, 20 seconds, which basically is me counting to 30, so I think that's roughly about right. I think that should be good. Tap it a few times. That and those. And let's strain this into a glass. I put the glass in the freezer for about 5 minutes, but you could also fill it with crushed ice just to cool it down, or put it in the fridge for a while. Okay, we just need a lime slice. Just gonna put in there. Got a coaster. And here is the Yellowbird cocktail. Let's have a try of this. Wow, that is really nice. You can taste the Galliano. You can taste the orange from the Cointreau. That is really good. I really like that. Thanks for joining me this week, and I'll see you next week for another cocktail.